Now it's time to switch from emotion to motion with some feathers, fun, and Latin rhythm.
Up next is a vibrant salsa dance by a grade 3, 4 and 5 students featuring very two different birds, a elegant flamingo and a lively chicken.
Watch as they bring two unique styles together on one stage, proving that even opposites can create magic when they dance in unity.
Hello, Mr. Chicken. Bark, 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 bark.
Como yo te digo, amigo.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was a.
Just got one question.
Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up, let's do it. Come on, people, let's get loud.
Yes,
let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Da 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 da.
Now switch.
Charlie.
Bring the beat back.
So clap, so clap, so clap, yeah. So clap, so clap, yeah. So clap, so clap.
Yeah.
Everybody dance now. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock, rock. Say what? Rock. Let's go. Everybody dance now. Rock this party. Dance everybody. Make it hot in this party. Don't stop. Move your body. Rock this party. Dance everybody. Make it hot in this party.
What a delightful performance! A huge round of applause for our grade 3, 4, 5 performers.